Well, go on YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the CV axle. So this is your CV axle right here. We're going to change it because it's going click 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 click, and this Nissan Altima. So I noticed these are the common problem with these Nissan Altima. The CV axle, they go click 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 click, and the radio, the volume knob, and the door lock actuator. So those are the common problem with these cars so far. So let's go ahead, and I have videos coming for the door knob, for the door latch, and now I'm going to do a video for the CV axle so you guys can see how to replace it. This side is only thing it's doing is on the left side, it's clicking. So once you have the steering to a full lock, then and press on the gas, you go click 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 click. That's the CV axle. So we gotta remove the tire, and to remove the tire it's gonna be 21 millimeter. And the next step is to remove this nut right here for your axle nut, which is going to be 1.25 inches. So put that on. So guys, you can beat it out, but since I'm changing it, I'm just gonna put it on. I have an impact gun, so it doesn't matter if it's in or if it's beat, if the lock is on in it. Let it cool down a little bit. Once it cool down, you want to go back at it. So guys, remove this nut right here. We're changing this. If you plan to reuse the axle, you would have to lift this part. You would lift this part out, but because I'm not reusing the axle, that's why I leave it. And when you leave it, that's how it do right there, but that's no big deal since we're not using it. So you want to get something like this, knock that back. So once you knock that back, it's gonna look like this back here. It's not gonna be flush anymore. So guys, once you knock that back, I would say take this off from here, but it's a lot of work to get it out and get it in. So I'm just gonna remove these two bolts right here. It will be easy to get out, but to put it back in, it's gonna be a challenge. But this way is much easier than if you remove right here. So let's go ahead. It's gonna be 21 millimeter for right here, and 21 millimeter at the top and bottom. So let's do that. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have this at the top so that don't spin. This will be at the bottom to take it off. So I'm gonna do it for both of them. 21 millimeter. And to take the bolt out, put this right here, pull down on it, back it up. So once that's done, you want to get something like a pry bar and pry this out right here. so you can get a hammer and knock out the rest of the CV joint. So since that's out, you can pull on it. That out. Once that's out, the next step is to get your pry bar and get under here, go right there and pry back on it just like that, and you will see that it'll come out. Some cars you might have to set something to catch the fluid once it come out, but this one, it doesn't look like the fluid will come out, but it's always a good thing to set something underneath there. So just like that, and that's how you take it out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and place this, and this is the car, by the way. So guys, you want to get your sway bar, your CV joint, put it in the hole, and you want to rotate it until you feel it lock. Keep pressure on it until you feel it lock. So once you push on it and rotate it, it's gonna lock. And once the wheel's starting to turn on the other side, that means it's between the spline, that means it's where it's supposed to go. Then you want to kind of give it a good like jerk motion like this to get it to go in. So let me see if I can put the camera somewhere right here and see. So hopefully the camera don't turn over. So you just, alright, let me take it back out, show you how I do it. So you want to put it in, spin it around till you find the groove. Alright, so now it's locked in a groove, so the other wheel will spin, and now you just want to jerk it in just like. So once you jerk it in, it will go ahead and look flush, just like that. So where it is, it's right here. As you see, it's flush right there, so that's good. It's time to put it back in here, right here. It's time to put it in there. So same thing without the jerking. You want to find the grooves. Basically in this transmission I have spline like this too, so that's why, and this have spline on it, so that's why you gotta spin it to make sure it goes between these. And you want to do the same thing for the front. So once that's good, go here. So now is the next hard part of the job, to catch back the control arm. So guys, as you can see, the hole at the top does not match the hole at the top, so the one at the bottom is lined up. You gotta push this in, push it all the way up. You want to get this and pull it. You want to get the pliers like this, hold it like this, pull on it, and now you see the hole line up. But while you pull on it, you got to push up on this real hard for it to go in. So let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if you'll learn anything from that, but that's how you get that one in. Front one, you gotta push it forward now and get it to line up the same way. So you wanna get the hole in and do the same thing for this. Bring it over with this so to line the hole up. Put the screw in, the bolt in, and do the same exact thing. Or another trick I also learned is get this, try to squeeze the clamp the frame down together. So once you clamp the frame down together and you actually get this and lay it flat and clamp the frame down, they have no way to go but stay right there in the middle. So that's another trick I learned after having so much heartache with this part. So once that's done, you can just get a hammer, give it a light tap, and that's it. Catch the nut on the top and tighten it up. So guys, after you reach this far, you want to double check your work. Make sure you tighten this up and lock this right here. Also this tight, that tight, that tight. Everything will look good. Now it's time to put on the tires. And also guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and leave a thumbs up if I help you.